Hello everyone and welcome to Centrestack. In today's session, I'm going to go over different settings an admin can configure under retention policy in Centrestack. Versioning plays a key role when it comes to a collaborative environment, where users can have multiple versions of the same file in a folder. Once the admin configures the settings to their preference, it makes it easy to keep track of the different versions of those files. We are currently logged in as a cluster admin from our web portal, and I'm going to select Management Console from the top menu option. And from the left pane, I'm going to select Group Policy. And from the drop-down menu in Group Policy, I'm going to select Retention Policy. And here are the different settings we have. The first one we have is Keep last n version of files in a version folder. It is set to 0 by default. I'm going to change it to 5. And when I change it to 5, the system will keep 5 versions of the file for the users. I'm going to go ahead and select Edit. I'm going to change it to 5 and click on Apply. The next one we have is only purge version file that is more than n days old. It's set to 0. I'm going to change it to 120 days. And what that means is after 120 days, the files will be purged. The next one we have is keep deleted file in version folder or in trash can for n days. By default is 90 days, and you could change it just by clicking edit and changing it to your preference. I'm going to keep it to 90 days. And what that means is users can go and recover files from the trash can and version folder before 90 days. The next one we have is keep file change log for n days. It is set to 15 by default, and what that means is that the file change log will be available for the last 15 days in the database. The next setting we have is hide purge option from web file browser, and it's not applicable to tenant administrator. I'm going to go into another user's browser to show you. When we go into version folder, this is where the option is, purge deleted items. You see it right now. But when we go into the admin retention policy setting, we could check it to hide it and click on apply. And when we go into a user's browser and refresh, we will no longer see that option. And as you could see, we don't see the purge deleted option now. I'm going to go into the tenant administrator's browser, and the next option we have is don't send email notification when purge deleted content. And when you enable this, the user will not receive an email notification when a purge deletion is being taken place. And you could enable that just by clicking on edit from the top option, and you will just check it and click apply, and the user will not receive any email notification. And this is how the settings are configured in group policy under retention policy. Thank you.